Tracking products in QuickTick is done using a serial or batch number. We enter the serial number and press Enter. Alternatively, serial or batch numbers can be entered using a barcode scanner. In the scan form, only the steps available to the operator will be open. If the product is scanned at the wrong location or by an operator who doesn't have permission to perform that step, the step will not be open for that operator. After scanning a few serial numbers, we can see in the batch progress tracker how many products have been scanned through the processes. We will go through each serial number and scan for this process. We can see that this operator does not have permission to perform an AOI step. This is done by the QuickTick agent and the AOI machine on the line. After the AOI step has been completed for each serial number, the operator is allowed to continue with the SMTB process. We have one serial number that has a defect, which we can repair and then track the SMTB process. If we review the report for this serial number, we can see all of the traceability information, including details such as time and operator for each step.